Hello, and thank you for joining me today. My name is Wendy Lee, and you can find me at CreativeLeeYours.com. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the US. So today I've got a little sneak peek for you of our June Cultivated Creativity DIY paper crafting kit. So we are featuring the beautiful, fun Beach Day stamp set and coordinating dies. Love, 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 love these. They're so versatile. They're so fun. I don't know about you, but I am so ready for summer, and this is the perfect set to do that with. So at first you look at it and you're like, oh, that's a lot of coloring because that's a line art stamp set. I've got a surprise for you. We're not coloring. Yay, yay. We're going to learn to do some paper piecing and some other techniques so that we are not having to pull out our coloring tools. Now, if you want to change it up and you want to color, you have perfect freedom to do that, right? And the great thing about our paper crafting kits is that we curate a beautiful kit for you that's got great consumable supplies in it. We do provide the opportunity to add on our featured stamp and die bundle, but you don't have to. You can use what you have in your own crafty collection to create your projects. Do you want to see a little sneak peek of what we've got for you this month? They're so fun. I love them. I love how they turned out. So we've got a little bit of watercoloring going on. Don't let that scare you. It's going to be easy peasy watercoloring. And of course, you don't have to do it if you don't want to. So here's our first one. And now we do decorate the insides of our projects. I'm not going to show you those. That's exclusive to our participants. That one was a gift card holder. Yes, yes, yes. And then we've got this one. Lovely, lovely, lovely. And we do 4 cards and 1 not a card. So our not a card is this adorable little beach bag. And there's always a little surprise goodie in there. And we do include that in the kits. Not everyone does, but we do in ours because we want you to have everything that you need, right? And then we've got this lovely one, a little bit of watercoloring going on that one as well. And again, a fabulous inside. And then we've got a fun fold. So I'm not going to show you the inside because that's a gift card holder as well. Good stuff, right? Are you excited to join me for our fun and crafty summertime class? I hope so. I love beach themed projects. They just make me feel like summer, the warm sunshine, right? Toes in the sand. This is a great way to experience it without getting sand everywhere, right? All right, I hope that you'll join us. Just expand the video description below and you'll see a link to get started. All right, I hope we'll see you this month. Thanks and bye for now.